Do you want to reset your account password in Telegram? If yes, then this is the video for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your account password in Telegram. First of all, you must have turned on the two-factor authentication for this process. Go ahead and tap in your phone number, press on next, press yes, and then now you should go ahead and click on forget password. This only works if you have turned on the two-factor authentication. Now click on continue and a code will be sent to the email for which you activated your two-factor authentication code for. Now tap in the code which arrived in your mail, and now you got to reset the password. Tap in the password of your remembrance and also tap in the new password again. Now you can successfully reset your account password in Telegram. Go ahead and give a new hint. Tap on next, press on continue, and then congratulations, your account has been resetted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.